Hello. We are on the phet.colorado.edu website in the Build a Molecule simulation. And we're in the playground area just kind of playing around. We're going to build a molecule that has 2 carbons and an oxygen and 6 hydrogens. So the first thing I want to do is kind of pull out my items. I'm not pulling them out in any particular order or anything. I'm just trying to put them in the placing. Yeah, there we go. Didn't want them to bond there. So I'm going to put my carbons, put them together like this. If you want to break the bonds, just hit that X there. So I'm going to put those carbons right there. Then I'm going to put the oxygen on that carbon, just kind of randomly picking something. And then I'm going to fill in hydrogens wherever they will go. Okay, hydrogen looks like it won't go there. That oxygen is already bonded twice, so it's not going to take on a third bond. Doesn't want to go there. Definitely doesn't want to go there. It'll go there. And it'll go there. And this is ethanol. So each carbon is bonded 4 times, and each oxygen is bonded twice, and hydrogens are only bonded once. We can look at the 3D picture here of ethanol. We can kind of turn around and rotate it and help with our atomic vision, seeing how these bonds are actually spaced. Note that the carbons and the oxygens are not actually in a line. When those electrons fill out, they kind of form a Y or a V shape. We can also see the bond in this stick and model structure. Here you can kind of count. You can count in this carbon here, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. In this carbon, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. And in the oxygen, we can see 2 bonds. And note that the hydrogens are only bonded once. Let's try a different arrangement. Let's put the oxygen in the center and see what happens. So again, this oxygen is already bonded twice to each carbon, so I'm going to take a bond there. Let's see what this does. That carbon's not taking another bond. Let's see if it'll take a bond there. No. So we cannot build a molecule that contains 6 hydrogens, 2 carbons, and an oxygen with an oxygen in the center right here. Let's move this, let's bust this apart and try this again. I was very surprised to see the thing take a third bond. Let's load up the carbons. This is a structural form called an ether because it has an oxygen in the center. Methoxymethane. We can see again it doesn't want to form a straight line. Forms a V or an X, or excuse me, a V or a Y. All single bonds here. Carbon still bonded 4 times. Oxygen still bonded twice. Hydrogen's bonded once. I hope this helps. Thank you.